In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn language to English. Changing the language on LinkedIn is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Whether you're trying to switch the language for easier navigation or to improve your language skills, this method will help you get it done in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Head over to LinkedIn's website and enter your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top toolbar on your screen. Over on the right side, you'll notice your profile icon. This icon can sometimes have your photo or just an avatar if you haven't uploaded an image. Go ahead and click on this icon and you'll see a small drop-down menu appear. Here, focus on the account section. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Language. Click on that and you'll be taken to a new screen. This screen is where all your language options are displayed. LinkedIn supports multiple languages, allowing you to switch between them based on your preference or needs. For this tutorial, we're going to choose English as our preferred language. Browse through the list until you find English. Once you've located it, simply select it from the options. After you've made this selection, give it a moment. The page will automatically refresh. When it does, all the text and options on your LinkedIn will now be displayed in English. This method isn't limited to English alone. Suppose you wanted to switch to another language afterward, such as Spanish, German, or any other language. You can easily follow these same steps, select the desired language from the list, and your LinkedIn interface will adjust accordingly by refreshing the page to display in that language. It really is as simple as that. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can change your LinkedIn language to English quickly and easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please consider leaving a like, dropping a comment below, and subscribing to the channel for more handy how-tos and tech tips. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you learned something new. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.